They tend to excel in absolute strength exercise and are typically insulin dominant. Endomorphs also tend to have a slow metabolic rate with low sympathetic nervous system activity and have a tendency to have a lower tolerance for carbohydrates. Typically, endomorphs are interested in losing body fat, especially in the central regions such as the abdominals and lower back. As a starting point, endomorphs will do well with a moderate intake of protein, a high intake of fat, and a low intake of carbohydrates. As for their caloric needs, if they are a sedentary individual, multiply their body weight in pounds by 10 to 12 if their primary objective is to lose weight, by 12 to 14 if their primary objective is to maintain their weight, and by 16 to 18 if their primary objective is to gain weight. If they are a moderately active individual, multiply their body weight in pounds by 12 to 14 if their primary objective is to lose weight, by 14 to 16 if their primary objective is to maintain their weight, and by 18 to 20 if their primary objective is to gain weight. And if they are a very active individual, multiply their body weight in pounds by 14 to 16 if their primary objective is to lose weight, by 16 to 18 if their primary objective is to maintain their weight, and by 20 to 22 if their primary objective is to gain weight. However, these are just general recommendations and should be adjusted accordingly based on how their body responds.